The Tineco PureCyclone S15 PET X Smart Cordless Vacuum Cleaner revolutionizes home cleaning with its advanced features and innovative technologies. Designed to cater specifically to the needs of pet owners, this vacuum cleaner incorporates ZeroTangle Technology, ensuring effortless removal of hair messes without tangling. With Tineco PureCyclone Technology, it maintains powerful suction throughout, preventing clogging and suction loss. Offering an impressive runtime of up to 80 minutes. It adapts suction power based on detected soiling, maximizing cleaning efficiency. The convenient one-touch trigger effortlessly cleans the dustbin, while the freestanding charging base provides hassle-free storage and charging. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. ZeroTangle Technology. This vacuum cleaner boasts an innovative ZeroTangle technology that is a boon for pet owners. The specially designed brush effectively targets hair messes and traps hairs without wrapping around the brush, significantly reducing the hassle of cleaning tangled hair. This feature makes vacuuming both long and short hair a breeze, enhancing the overall cleaning experience. Number 2. Tineco PureCyclone Technology. Another highlight of this vacuum cleaner is the Tineco PureCyclone Technology, which powerfully separates air and dust to prevent pre-filter clogging or suction loss. This ensures consistent and robust suction power, even during prolonged cleaning sessions. With PureCyclone technology, users can enjoy strong and fade-free suction performance, enhancing the efficiency of the cleaning process. Number 3. Long run time. This vacuum cleaner offers an impressive runtime of up to 80 minutes, making it ideal for tackling large cleaning jobs and thorough house cleaning sessions. This extended runtime ensures uninterrupted operation, allowing users to cover more ground without the inconvenience of frequent recharging. Additionally, the vacuum automatically adjusts suction power based on the level of soiling detected, further optimizing cleaning efficiency and effectiveness. Number 4. One-Touch Trigger Dustbin Clean. With the innovative one-touch trigger feature, users can conveniently wipe the dustbin clean without ever having to touch the dust or debris. A simple press of the trigger scrapes off dust and hair entangled around the filter, pushing the debris straight into the dustbin for hassle-free disposal. This feature not only saves time, but also ensures a hygienic cleaning experience. Number 5. Freestanding, no-install charging base. This vacuum cleaner comes equipped with a freestanding charging base, eliminating the need for complicated installation processes such as drilling or marking walls. Users can neatly store and charge the vacuum cleaner in the charging base without any hassle. This convenient feature enhances the overall user experience, providing hassle-free storage and charging solutions. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 11.14 inches length by 11.02 inches width by 45 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Conclusion. The Tineco PureCyclone S15 PET X Smart Cordless Vacuum Cleaner stands out as an indispensable cleaning companion for pet owners and households alike. Its cutting-edge technologies, including ZeroTangle and PureCyclone, ensure thorough and hassle-free cleaning sessions. With an extended runtime of up to 80 minutes and adaptive suction power, it effortlessly tackles large cleaning jobs with efficiency. The intuitive one-touch trigger and freestanding charging base further enhance convenience and ease of use. Overall, this vacuum cleaner offers unmatched performance, reliability, and convenience, making it a must-have for those seeking an effortless and effective cleaning solution for their homes. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links, and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.